Good morning. I am Brian and Swana, the branch manager here. Welcome to Jollibee. Thank you for coming. Have a seat.
Good morning, sir. Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
So before we start, may I have your application form and resume, please?
This is my application and resume, sir.
All right. Let's begin. First, tell me about yourself.
So my name, sir, is Dehi Rosales Carpis from Malita, Davao Occidental. I am freshly graduate from Correzo College and I graduated ABLs. Then I'm here, sir, because my skills and capabilities is fit to this company.
Okay, Mr. Carpis, thank you. Let us move on. So, Mr. Carpis, why do you want to work specifically at Jollibee? And what do you know about our brand?
Mr. Manager, Jollibee's food, good reputation, values like bida ang saya, friendly service, and wanting to be part of a well-known company.
Mr. Carpis, at Jollibee, our priority is customer, happiness, and fast service. How would you handle a customer who is angry or complaining about their order?
So, Mr. Manager, I will handle this through staying calm, listen carefully, apologize sincerely if needed, solve the problem quickly, and replace it, then assurance and leave happy as well.
So, in Jollibee, we work in a fast-paced environment, especially during lunch and dinner rushes. Are you willing to work under pressure and help your teammates when it gets busy?
Yes, Mr. Manager, I am a hardworking, fast learner, and I believe teamwork helps us to serve better.
Mr. Carpis, this rule requires flexible schedules, including weekends, holidays, and sometimes late shifts. Is this okay with you?
Yes, Mr. Manager, I am very flexible, committed to the schedule I require.
Okay. Mr. Carpis, what do you think is the most important quality a Jollibee crew member must always?
Mr. Manager, by being friendly, polite, honest, and always smiling, because we bring joy to every customer.
Mr. Carpis, if you made a mistake with an order or task, what would you do?
Manager, as a person, I admit it honestly, apologizing, correct it immediately, and learn from it, and so it doesn't happen again.
So, Mr. Carpis, I appreciate your time and answer. We will review your application and we will contact you within 2 or 3 days regarding the result. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Welcome and have a great day.
None, sir, but when I will come back here?
So, Mr. Carpis, I appreciate your time and answer. We will review your application and we will contact you within 2 or 3 days regarding the result. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Welcome and have a great day.
Thank you.